Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with interactive brokers, only way. Open your account, fund it, and enable margin or cash settings. Use the desktop trader workstation or mobile app to place stock, option, and ETF orders. Link your bank, verify identity, and set up 2FA. Start with small allocations, use limit orders to control price, and learn paper trading before committing real capital. Ask questions in comments and I'll help. Order types determine execution and price control, so learn market, limit, stop, and stop limit orders thoroughly. Use limit orders to avoid slippage, and use market orders for fast fills when price impact is minimal. For options, use combo orders like iron condors and verticals to manage risk and reward. Set good till canceled or day duration appropriately, and monitor fills to adjust or cancel when conditions change. Practice each order type in paper trading until you're comfortable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, seen here and perfect for long trading sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel that way. I appreciate everyone who watches and shares. It keeps content coming. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position sizing and stop placement protect your account from large drawdowns, so calculate size based on risk per trade and account value. Use a fixed percentage or dollar amount to determine max loss, and never risk more than your plan allows. Diversify across sectors and instruments, rebalance regularly, and keep a trading journal to review wins and mistakes for continuous improvement. Set daily and weekly limits to stop trading when fatigue increases errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.